Hello guys and welcome to the new video. In the last video we discussed about types of field in NumPy, how to access individual elements in arrays, how to get the dimension of the array and how to get the shape of the array. And today we will continue. So at first I want to add the function and it will be function or method size, and this method will return the number of elements of single elements in the array. Like you can see, we have 12, and in this array there are 12 individual elements. Another method, which is I think the very important method, is print dtype run, and like you can see we get int 64. This method will return the data type which contains the array. Like I said in the video before, the NumPy arrays can have only one data type, and with this method you can find out what data type of the array is. I will discuss about it later. Oh, sorry, I didn't notice this. I will delete it. I was trying something when I was learning, but I forgot to remove it. So let's continue. I want to show you some functions with which you can create new arrays. So let's start. Let's type zeros and be zeros. And you can specify as an attribute the size of the new array. And when I print it, so zeros, you can see this array which contains only zeros. It contains 8 zeros. So this method will create the array full of zeros. Another method is ones, and b.ones. You can also specify the size of the new array. I'll print it once, and how you can expect, it creates the field full of ones, especially a field of 8 ones. We can check it. Print zeros.size, and like you can see, it has 8 elements. Another method is empty. Like before, you can specify the size of the array you want to create. So for example, I will make 15. Now I will print it empty, and here this doesn't show it, so I will try 20. Now like you can see this, and what this means. The empty method creates an array without initializing its element to any specific values. So that means the array contains leftover data from the memory location where the array is allocated. This is like the values which was on the indexes, and on these indexes we allocated the new array. So it print the values which was on these positions. It's random values. Uh, this this type of array is used because it's faster than methods like np zeros or np ones, like these two methods, because we doesn't initialize the elements. This method is used when you plan to immediately overwrite these values in the array. Now I want to get back to these two methods and also this. In the attributes, you can specify not only the size, but you can write, for example, 83, and it will. Oh, you can specify the shape of the new array with this attribute. The same here, for example, 9, and you have. Oh, I forgot parentheses. Now you have this array with this shape. The same we can do here, for example 3. So now you can see this big array. I don't want to make this video too long, so I will end it here for today, and in the next video we will continue with dtypes, and I will tell you something about them and some specifications. So thank you very much for watching. If you have some advice or some comment, I will be happy for that. And if you want more videos where we learn something together, please subscribe. So bye.